Welcome to our mega candy factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how sugar-coated gummies are mass-produced.
Here we focus on developing the ideal texture and infusing the vibrant flavors that define our gummies. Precision is key at this stage.
The viscosity levels are spiking again. Adjust the polymer feed rate. Increasing by 5%. Looks stable now. Every gummy is carefully cooled to achieve the perfect chewiness. Every batch is tested before reaching stores worldwide.
And that's how millions of sugar-coated gummies are mass-produced, from sweet ingredients to colorful, chewy treats enjoyed around the world.